Hi everyone, I'm Holly with Quilting Pantographs. Today I want to show you how I use my channel locks on my Longarm machine. I have a Unique 14 Plus from the Grace Company, and it sits on a 12-foot frame, which is a Unique frame also from the Grace Company. It's a little bit older of a model, so it didn't come with the channel locks already installed on the wheels. So I purchased these channel locks from handiquilter.com, and it came in a package of two, and it's these pieces of plastic that you can pull apart and put on the wheel so it won't move. It also has silicone on each end of it so that it won't scratch or break your wheels on your carriage. So I'm going to go ahead and bring the camera around to the back because that's where I place these channel locks, and then we'll stitch out so I could show you how nice and straight and stable the line is. So I'm at the back of the machine now, and I put the channel locks on the wheels on the left side because the encoders are on the right side, and I don't like to fiddle around in that area so that I don't mess those up. So I've got the channel locks on, and as you can see, the machine carriage cannot go front to back anymore. It can only go left to right, and so that works really well. And so I'll move these now and put them on the other wheels so you can see how they work that way too. So now I move the channel locks to the different wheels, which are down here, and I put one on the left side and one over here on the right back one as well. And it will now lock it so that the carriage can only go front to back and it won't go left to right. So now I'll step back around to the front and we'll stitch with the channel locks on so you could see how nice and even and straight it goes. So I'm back at the front of the machine and I'm going to stitch a little line here to show you how straight it goes. And let's turn it on, and here we go. Yeah, it just stitches out beautifully straight. The carriage is not going front to back at all. So I'm really happy with these channel locks, and again I got them at handiquilter.com. So thanks for hanging out with me today, and as always, happy stitching.